Ever wondered why Linux is considered one of the most robust and flexible operating systems? Get ready, because today, we're diving into the intriguing world of Linux, from its lineage and structure to its complex components. The heart of Linux is its kernel, the part of the operating system that interfaces with hardware. It's like the puppet master controlling everything behind the scenes. This kernel, born out of Linus Torvalds' ingenuity back in 1991, has now blossomed into an enormous family tree of Linux distributions, or distros as they're affectionately known. These distros range from the user-friendly Ubuntu, perfect for beginners, to the more complex Fedora, which is beloved by developers. And let's not forget the robust Debian, the backbone of many other distributions. These are but a few branches on the extensive Linux family tree, each with its unique set of features and capabilities. The Linux architecture is a layered structure, designed for flexibility and control. It begins with the hardware layer at the base, followed by the kernel, and then the shell, which serves as the intermediary between the user and the kernel. At the top, we have the application layer where all your favorite programs live. Now, let's explore the components that make up the Linux operating system. First, there's the bootloader, the software that manages the boot process of your computer. Next, we have the aforementioned Linux kernel, the core of the operating system. Then comes the init system, which is essentially the first process that starts up when you boot your computer. It's responsible for bringing the system to a usable state. The daemons, background services that start up during boot or after you log into the desktop, follow next. The shell, a command line interface where you can type or input commands, is next in line. Then there are the Linux system directories, each with its specific purpose and functionality. The graphical server, which provides the system with its graphical interface, and the desktop environment, which includes a suite of libraries enabling the running of software, are the final components, completing the Linux operating system. As we continue our exploration of Linux, it's time to dive into some essential Linux networking commands. These commands are crucial tools in your Linux toolkit, helping you interact with and navigate through the vast network ecosystem. First on our list is ping. This command is used to test the network connection between the host and the server. It's simple yet extremely useful, giving you immediate feedback on the status of your connection. Next, we have netstat. This command displays network connections, routing tables, interface statistics, and more. It's like having a map of your network journey, showing you where you've been and where you're going. Moving on, we have traceroute. This command shows the path that a packet takes to reach the destination. It's like having a GPS for your data, guiding you step by step until you reach your destination. Next in line is enslookup. This command queries DNS to obtain domain name or IP address mapping. It's like your personal network detective helping you solve the mysteries of the DNS world. Finally, we have ifconfig. This command displays or configures a network interface. It's your network control panel, giving you the power to configure and manage your network interfaces. Mastering these commands can significantly enhance your networking skills in Linux. So go ahead, try them out, and see the power of Linux networking at your fingertips. To summarize, we've traversed the Linux family tree, understanding the variety and versatility it offers. We've unpacked the layered architecture of Linux from hardware to applications, and we've dissected the key components that work together to make Linux the powerhouse it is today. So the next time you boot up your Linux system, remember, there's a whole world working seamlessly behind that login screen, ensuring you have the best computing experience possible. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, Linux isn't just an operating system. It's a symbol of software freedom and innovation.